Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you important alternatives to the TurboAI. So first thing first, the very popular one is Node. So this is like the Quizlet alternative that you can actually like check out for yourself. And you have like offers a generous free plan that includes unlimited flash creation, quiz generation, and study tracking. So this is something that is great about Node, and I really like it. Like you're gonna find like plenty of tests here. Now another one that is like for the kind of like the deep learning and things like that, you have like Google Notebook LM. So this is another one that you can actually like try. You can have like search, analyze, and through the collection of documents, notes, links, or files. So again, the Google Notebook LM can be also like beneficial too. If you want to, like, I will create a new notebook here, and you have like mind web, flashcards here, quiz here that you can generate, so you can check it out. Another one that you can also try is StudyFetch. So it transforms it provides a reliable free alternative to TurboLearn, featuring flashcards and AI tutoring with fewer restrictions. So this is like also interesting one, or even the Super Student AI. You want to also check this one out. So these like few that I want to share with you is that you can actually check out. Maybe some of these you're gonna like. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.